Everyone, my name is Parikya Sharmani, studying in Standard 8 from Mona Modern English Medium School, Sagargarh. Here I am going to do a science activity, and my activity is how to prepare curd. First, I have to heat the milk. We do not need to boil it. Second, cool till the milk is warm. Then add half teaspoon of curd on the milk and mix it well. Third, cover the bowl with a lid. Then leave it undisturbed for 4 to 5 hours. After 5 to 4 hours, we will be able to see that our curd is prepared. The science is the lactobacillus bacteria present in a half teaspoon of curd, which convert the milk into the curd. In this process, the bacteria break down the lactose sugar in the milk to form lactic acid. Acid makes the curd slightly acidic, which makes the milk thick and help in its preservation. It also changes the nature of the milk protein by giving it a sharp taste, and it also stops the growth of bacteria on the milk. This was my today's activity. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Hello friends, my name is Riya Agrawal from class 8 from Mona Modern English Medium School, Sarangarh. Here I am going to do an science activity, and the activity is to prepare curd. So let's start. The main ingredients are a bowl of milk and 2 tablespoons of curd and some lid. So let's start. First we heat the milk, do not be boiled. Then the milk is heated, then we off the switch. Then we will cool it for 2-3 minutes. Now the milk is cooled down, we add the curd into the milk and mix well and cover with a lid for undisturbed for 4 to 5 hours. Now the curd is ready, and you see how the curd is made. It is happened through lactobacillus bacteria. Hope you like this video. Thank you for listening me.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Manyata Gajwal from class 8. Today my activity is to prepare curd. Let's start the activity. Take some milk in the kitchen pan. Slowly heat the milk until it is around 35 degrees Celsius and do not boil the milk. Step 2. Cool till the milk is warm. Step 3. Add a tablespoon of curd and mix well. Step 4. Cover the pan with the lid. Step 5. Leave it undisturbed for 4 to 5 hours. After 4 to 5 hours, we can see the milk is set to form curd with a smooth and creamy consistency. Thank you, ma'am. I hope you like this video.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, my name is Rakesh Jaswal. Today my topic is prepare curd. So without wasting your time, let's begin. Now I am going to on the burner. Now I have take a bowl milk. Now I am putting the milk on the burner. So we have to boil this around 35 degrees Celsius. So I have boiled this around 35 degrees Celsius. Now the milk is very hot, so we have to cool the milk.
So I have cooled this milk. So making the curd, we have to pour this lemon juice. So we have to left it 24 hours undisturbed. So let's put it. After 24 hours, you can see
the milk is changed into the curd because of the presence of lactobacillus bacteria. So this is the science of this activity. So thanks for watching.
Hello everyone, my name is Siddhi Singh Thakur from class 8 from Mona Modern English Medium School, Sarangan. So today I am going to making curd. Required materials are milk, curd and a spoon. So first we heat the milk in induction. We have to heat the milk. After heating the milk, we have to cool down it, and now our milk is cooled down. So we have to mix a tablespoon of curd in it. And mix it well. Now we have to put the milk in the fridge. After 4 to 5 hours, you can see that our curd is ready. In milk, the leguminous bacteria was present. In curd, the leguminous bacteria was present, which convert the milk into curd. Thank you.